So somebody asked me what happens if you microwave a bag of marshmallows. So we're gonna find out. Okay. I am going to microwave them for 5 minutes and we will see what happens. Okay, we're gonna cook 5 minutes. Ew! Aw, crap. Aw, damn it! That made a huge mess. Do not microwave marshmallows. Oh crap, and it's sticky. Great. Now, how do you clean up marshmallows? What's the best way? It still tastes like marshmallows. Crap. Now I gotta clean this up. Crap. How do you clean up marshmallows? Smushed marshmallows. Oh, it's gonna be sticky, gross. I hope you like this video. Don't microwave marshmallows. Or a bag at least. Maybe I should try one marshmallow and see what happens. Yeah. Microwave marshmallows are really good. It's like, I don't know, it's really good though. It's like a what, you know, when you put them over the fire? And then, I don't know, I would always burn them and I'd fling them. But it's like that gooey stuff inside. Yeah. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you hated it. And tell me what I should microwave next, because I'm kind of running out of ideas of what to microwave. Subscribe! Bye!